think life without a refrigerator is impossible? In the medieval larder, preserving meat was a matter of life and death, and they mastered it using sheer chemistry. When a family slaughtered a pig in November, they had to make it last until summer. Their primary weapon was white gold, salt. Dry salting drew the moisture out of the meat, creating a hostile environment where deadly bacteria simply couldn't survive. For beef, they used a wet brine mixed with saltpeter to keep the meat a vibrant, appetizing pink. Smoking was the next crucial step. Hanging salted meats above a smoldering hearth coated them in phenols, sealing out insects and adding deep flavor. Even fat was weaponized for preservation. In a technique called potting, cooked meats were submerged in a ceramic jar of clarified fat, creating a perfect airtight seal. The medieval larder was an absolute masterpiece of functional survival chemistry. Hit that subscribe button right now so you remember to listen to our deep dive historical videos to help you drift off to sleep tonight.